The 2¼ x 85 thermal paper roll measures 57 mm wide and 25.9 m long. Production begins with jumbo thermal rolls, usually 600 to 800 mm wide, which are slit into 57 mm strips using a slitting rewinder. Each strip is rewound to 85 feet with precise tension control to keep rolls neat and uniform. After trimming, tail cutting, and gluing, some rolls also include an end-of-roll red warning line before shrink wrapping and boxing. These rolls are commonly used in POS credit card terminals, portable receipt printers, taxis, and mobile payment devices. Compared with the standard 2¼ x 50 roll, 15 m, the 85-foot version provides about 70% more paper, reducing roll changes and saving time in busy retail stores, restaurants, and logistics operations. It's compact, reliable, and designed for high-frequency transactions.